Carl here from KDL Autospace. I just want to show you guys our 2025 project that we're about to start with. I don't know if you guys have seen our 2024 project. If not, go check the video out. Full build is on our channel. But back to the video. This is the car we're busy with for this year. So this car is going back to totally original. We're gonna respray the whole car. Brand new backlights, 3 to 5 eye badge, brand new boot badge because it needs the original one, because this is what happens if you put a bonnet badge on the boot of a E30. You get this ugly, it just doesn't look right. You must go with the original boot badge. This exhaust, it's mismatched. We want it to just be a little bit straighter with each other. The car came here with coilovers. I've already changed it, was way too low. And then I'm sure you guys were asking at the start of the video, why are you spraying it still looks alright? Well, it's had an issue on this corner here, so we have to respray it. So with that being done, the car is just shorting a sunroof, so we're going to put a sunroof in it too. Then we're going to spray the whole car over. So we're already busy stripping the fender off because the door is touching it. The front bumper is damaged, so we're going to replace that. The valence is not very straight, so we got a brand new straight like a laser one. We're going to swap that out. Windscreen is shot, we're going to change that out. The wheels have been refurbished, but the center caps are trash, so we're going to get original OEM stuff for that. On the interior, the seats are torn, but we're going to replace them. We got a set of Ricardo seats. These are going to be in full black leather with the M Power colors, and that's what's going to replace these tattered and torn seats. It's got original carpets, M-Tech 1 steering, all the goodies like executive, but it just needs a few of our KDL touches. And then if we move on to the engine bay, I don't think you guys will be expecting what's in this Smurf. Oh shit. It's got an M52 320 motor, but it's not too happy in this car, so we're planning to take it back to original what it should be, which is a 3 to 5 M20. So that's going to be fun. But as you can see in this engine bay, they sprayed the car, but they didn't spray the actual engine bay. So even if I was keeping this multi-valve to do a proper job, I was going to pluck it out anyways. But we got to do this whole engine bay whilst the engine is out, so that we can put that fresh M20 back in. But yeah, I'll put a seat there, that side. This is the car stripped down now. All the things that we don't want on. And then next thing is gonna be this door. It's just started raining now, so it's not gonna be the best idea to change now, but we're making some progress. We made our space for our Ricardos to come in. We're going to test fit them now and see what it looks like. Okay, and here the seats in. Looking very nice. I put E30 headrest on because the headrest its head was too big. And then we're going to shorten these tops, and the stitching is going to run down, and it's going to be obviously in full black leather, and the back seat is going to be done to match, and it's going to have Empower stripes along the corners of both of them. Okay, so I'm about to take the door off. I've loosened the 4 bolts, top and bottom, and then I've taken the pin and clip out for this door stopper, and then it's just a little bit of a tip and info for the guys that's ever doing this job and circling or doesn't know what to do. So to unplug the door harness, you press these 2 clips in hard. My one's already been pressed and pulled a little bit up, but then you got to just pry it hard and then it clips out like that. And then if you want to take the harness out, then you just got to press all these clips in and push it out, and that goes with your main harness out. But yeah, a lot of guys struggle with it, but it's quite easy. And then we're going to swap all this over to the new door. Then once you've done all those things, it's as simple as just sliding it off. Simple as that. So yeah, I'm making a big pile of parts already, it's getting big. Okay, this is our door. We're gonna strip it off now. I got quite a few parts, at least to support the build. I don't think we'll sit fast, but I had been waiting for this door for a while because the rest of these cars are all chrome bumpers which don't have this dimple here for our mechanism to fit properly. So just something to keep note of and check when you guys are changing a door. Just check on the bottom here, the chrome bumper is completely straight, it doesn't have this dimple anything here, and then plastic bumper typically has this dimple. So yeah, just something to note and something to check when you're changing your door. And I don't have anybody here to help me take a video, so I'll see you guys when the door is off. Okay, here's the 2 doors next to each other for the comparison. And yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna put it first on the car, then I'm gonna change everything over. So yeah, we'll do that now. Okay guys, everything swapped over to the new door. We wanted to test it with the switch inside, but the pipes is already off of the motor, so we don't want to mess petrol everywhere. So just for testing purposes, I'm gonna jump wire it. Yeah. Up and down has been tested a few times, and then also we already tested the fitment, spacing, it's opening and closing, lacquer. We just gotta test fit it with the fender. We're just starting in the engine bay with removal of the motor, so we're just taking off what we can for now. This is just another example why we're going back to the motor that should be in here, because to fit this viscose fan on, they had to cut the radiator for the cradle for the radiator to go more forward. So yeah, that's an issue. I'm not against conversions, but not like this, guys. So yeah, we're taking it back to original. Okay, so since we have to replace this radiator cradle anyway, we're gonna chop it out so we can pull this engine out easier. Everything is out, wiring, prop, shifter, exhaust. This is the last thing, and we're ready to pull this cherry out. Okay, we're all set up to pull it out now. Rope is tied, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, motor is out, so it looks like we're going to be reusing this gearbox, flywheel, starter and clutch. Now we can see what's going on in here and we can work properly. Gotta pull this arm straight, but yeah, in the next video we'll get started with that. So if you're not, please do subscribe and stay tuned.